Yeah, hi, Kelly. This may have been inevitable, but it does look like fraud has already found its way to the red-hot NFT market. A new report from the blockchain firm Chainalysis finds two major types of fraud are already evident in the market. The first is called wash trading. You might be familiar with that from financial markets. That's when one owner trades between his own entities to make it look like there's a liquid market out there. Chainalysis found 262 wash trader groups active in NFT markets, generating profits so far just under $9 million. There hasn't been any enforcement action on any of that yet. They also found money laundering. That is, illicit addresses sending more than $1.4 million worth of crypto to NFT markets in the fourth quarter of last year, and more than $280,000 sent from addresses with what they call sanctions risk. They also see a significant amount of stolen funds going to NFTs. These numbers so far, Kelly, they're low, but Chainalysis suggests that's because criminals are really just getting started in this market, and there's a high risk for the future. All of that raises some questions about enforcement and regulation in this brand new and sometimes mind-bending market, Kelly.
It makes me wonder when people say, I don't know if there's any truth to this, that Tom Brady's going to focus on NFTs and crypto and whatever, when he retires. But for people who have really important brands to protect and, are worried about being involved with the space, I wonder what it means for them.
That's a fascinating question. And I think what it'll mean for figures like that is they're going to want some kind of cover, right? They're going to want some kind of regulatory regime. They're going to want some kind of government oversight and therefore some gold standard that they themselves can hit so they can make sure that their customers and the people who follow their brand aren't taken advantage of in this market. In the history of finance, every time there's a new market, we do see fraud find its way there. And if the market is, sort of low and undercover, that provides an opportunity for that fraud to really metastasize. So for anybody who's interested in really taking the NFT market to the next level and legitimizing it, they're going to have to figure this problem out before it gets too bad.